Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money to friends and family on PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official website of PayPal at paypal.com. Log into your PayPal account by entering your email address and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then, tap on the send button from the menu. Now in the search bar, type in the name, email address or phone number of the person you want to send money to. After that, tap on the next button. On the next screen, you will see two options, paying for an item or service and sending to a friend. Make sure to select the sending to a friend option. After that, enter the amount you want to send and add a note if you want. Double check the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you are ready, tap on send payment now to complete the process. And that's it. Now you know how to send PayPal money to friends and family. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.